turn off the lights? The house lights?
Sorry.
I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. We must be over the rainbow. You are welcome, most noble sorceress, to the land of the Munchkins. We are so glad for you for having killed the Witch of the East and for setting our people free from bondage. You are very kind, but there must be some kind of sting. I have not killed anything. Your house did anyway, and that is the same thing. See? There are her 2 shoes, still sticking out from under a block of wood. Oh dear, the house must have fallen on her.
Please sit
Whatever
down.
shall we do? There's nothing to be done. But who was she? She was the Wicked Witch of the East. She held all the Munchkins in bondage for many years. Now they are all set free and are grateful to you for the favor. Who are the Munchkins? They are the people who lived in this land of the East where the Wicked Witch ruled. Are you a Munchkin? No, but I am their friend. When they thought the Witch of the East was dead, they sent for me. I'm the Witch of the North. Oh, gracious! Are you a real witch? Yes, indeed, but I am a good witch, and the people love me. But I thought all witches were wicked. Oh no, that is a great mistake. There are only 4 witches in all the land of Oz, and 2 of them, those who live in the north and south, are good witches, while those of the east and west are indeed wicked. But now that you have killed one of the wicked witches, there is but one wicked witch in all the land of Oz, the one who lives in the west. But Aunt Em told me that witches were all dead years and years ago. Who is Aunt Em? She is my aunt who lives in Kansas, where I come from. I do not know where Kansas is, but tell me, is it a civilized country? Oh, yes. And that accounts for it. In civilized countries, I believe there are not any witches left. Nor wizards, nor sorcerers, nor witches. But you see, the land of us has never been civilized. Therefore, there still have witches and wizards among us. Who are the wizards? Oz himself is the great wizard. He's more powerful than the rest of us together. He lives in the city of Emeralds. See, the wicked witch was so old that she dried up quickly in the sun. That was the end of her, but the red slippers are yours, and you shall have one to wear. The Witch of the East was so proud of these red slippers. There is some charm connected with them, but what that is we never knew. I'm anxious to get back to my aunt and uncle. Can you help me find a way? same great desert that surrounds the land of Oz. I'm afraid, my dear, that you will have to live with us. Do not cry, fair lady. Fair lady, do not cry. Do not cry, fair lady. Fair lady, do not cry. Let's go to the city of emeralds. Perhaps Oz will help you. Where is this city? It is exactly the center of the country, and it is ruled by Oz, the great wizard I told you of. Is he a good man? He is a good wizard, whether he is a man or not. I cannot tell, for I have never seen him. How can I get there? You must walk. It is a long journey through a country that is sometimes pleasant and sometimes dark and terrible. Yeah. I will blow you a kiss, and no one will dare injure a person who has been kissed by the witch of the north. The road to the city of emeralds is paved with yellow brick. You cannot miss it. When you get there, don't be afraid of him, but tell your story and ask him to help you. Goodbye, my dear. We wish you a pleasant journey. Wait a minute, will I get my son on his basket? Well, come along, Toto. We'll go to the Emerald City and ask the great Wizard of Oz to help us get back to Kansas. Good day. You speak. Certainly. How do you do? I'm pretty well. Thank you. How do you do? Oh, I'm not doing very well, for it's pretty tedious when you pick up your night days and your drugs. Can't you get down? No, it's cold. I pick up my bag. Can you please take away the bowl if you've read the likes to you? Thank you. Diligent woman. And where are you? And where are you going? My name is Dorothy. I'm going to the Emerald City to ask the great Wizard of Oz to send me back to Kansas. Where is the Emerald City? Who is the great Oz? Why, don't you know? No, indeed. I don't know anything. You see, I'm stuck, so I have no brains at all. Oh, I'm awfully sorry for you. Do you think if I went to the Emerald City with you, the great Oz would bear me some brains? I cannot tell, but you may come with me if you like. If Oz will not give you any brains, you'll be no worse off than you are now. That is true, but I don't want my arms and legs bloody being stuff where it might get hurt. If somebody sits on my toes or if somebody sticks pins in the feet, it does not matter, for I cannot feel it. But I do not want people calling me a fool. And if my head stays stuffed with straw and not brains as yours, how will I ever know anything? I understand how you feel. You'll come with me to the Emerald City. Ask the great Wizard of Oz to do all he can. Thank you. Don't mind Toto, he never bites. Oh, I'm not afraid. He cannot hurt the straw. Do let me carry that basket for you, or I should not mind. A heart? Why? What's the matter with the one you have?
That's the top
What's the matter? What's the matter? These are deadly puppies. They put people to sleep. I'm not sleeping. Nor I, but we must figure out some way to wake up Dorothy and Lion. But who would want to put them to sleep? I don't know, but I think it's the Witch of the West. Wake up, Dorothy. Open your eyes. Who's here? What's happened? The wicked Belinda tried to put you to sleep permanently. Is that so? Then we won't let anything stop us now. On to the Emerald City and the Great Oz. So we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We hear he is the Wizard of Wiz, if ever a wiz there was. If ever a wiz there was, the Wizard of Oz. Because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
What do you wish me to do?
I wish to be sent back to Kansas.
I will help you, but first you must help me.
What do you wish me to do?
Kill the Witch of the West?
I cannot kill her. She's too powerful.
You have killed the Witch of the East, haven't you? Remember, if you wish to go back to Kansas, you must accomplish the thought task that I have set out for you to do. The Witch of the
See, I entirely need to cross my new friends at all.
Before I grant your wish, how Dorothy kill the witch?
I thought that...
Quiet! The great loss of Dorothy. I don't care who killed her or how she was killed, so long as she is. Now, Tin Man, why have you come?
I am a tin man made entirely of tin. Therefore I have no heart. I pray in your magnificent name that you grant me a heart.
If you need of a heart, you have heard it.
But how?
Help Dorothy kill the witch of the West. Without proof of her death, I cannot grant you your wish. Do you understand?
Yes, your majesty.
Now, Lion, why have you come?
I came to beg you that you give me courage, so that in reality I may become king of beasts as they already call me.
Bring the broom of the witch of the West, and at that moment I shall grant you courage. So long as you live, you must remain a coward.
And there is only one thing to do, and that is to go to the land of the Winkies and seek out the witch of the West and destroy her. But what if we cannot? What's coming? Is she coming now, Mommy? And I shall never have a heart. And I shall never return to my Aunt Em and Uncle Henry. Which way leads to the witch of the north? The witch of the west? Roads? There are no roads. No one ever wishes to go that way. Perhaps not, for it means to destroy them. Oh, that is different. No one has ever killed her before. So naturally, I thought she would all make slaves of her. Just keep to the west where the sun sets and you can't fail to find her. Good luck and goodbye to you all. That Dorothy is getting closer and closer. She has the ruby slippers and I must get them from her. I know, I'll send my flying monkeys out to pick her up. Monkey, come here. That Dorothy has been sticking her nose into our business, huh? Well, what I want you to do is go out there and bring back her and her little dog friend Toto. I don't care what you do with her other friends as long as they do not interfere. Now go and see to it that you do not come back without her.
can't do anything to Dorothy, for she has the ruby slippers and has been kissed by the Witch of the North. How can I get them? Aha! I shall place invisible bars across the door, so when she enters, she will stumble, and I will get the slippers.
Give me back my shoe!
I will not. It belongs to my sister, so now it is rightfully mine.
You really are a wicked witch!
No, no. See what you've done? Chelsea!
I'm sorry, indeed!
Didn't you know that water would be the end of me?
No, how could I have known?
Well, in a few minutes I shall be entirely melted, and you will have the castle to yourself. I never thought a little girl like you could destroy me and end my wicked deeds. Watch out, here I go.
She melted. Why? She's really melted. Lion, Scarecrow, Tin Man, she's melted. Melted. All her evil powers gone. She's gone. Now she goes back without her costume.
I shall have my
And I shall have my heart. And my brain. And I shall return back to my Aunt Em and Uncle Henry.
It's almost over. Stay quiet for a little while. You're doing a really good job. I don't think he likes your hand on his body. Did you guys play separate you, or are you okay here?
Well, you're back again?
Do you not see us?
Sit down.
Here's the broomstick of the Witch of the West.
What happened to her?
Dorothy melted her.
So she did she? She liberated her. Why is it merciful?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, come back tomorrow, so I don't have time to think it over.
We're not leaving until we get what we came here for.
We shan't wait a day longer. Who are you?
I'm Oz the Great and Terrible.
I thought Oz was a great man.
I thought Oz was a terrible beast. I thought Oz was a ball of fire.
We thought Oz was a great wizard.
No, I'm afraid you are all mistaken.
Then who are you?
I'm just a common person.
I think you're a very bad person.
Oh, no, my dear. I'm a very good person, just a very bad wizard, I admit.
Well, you need some warning.
You don't need them. A baby has brains, although it doesn't know much. Experience is the only thing that brings you knowledge. Back where I come from, we received diplomas. So by the power invested in me, I hereby give you the honorary degree of PhD.
What's that?
Doctor of Thingology.
Thank you very much.
After that, I think you're very lucky not to have a heart.
Doesn't matter. You'll get a heart elsewhere on, Heather.
Very well. Isn't it a beauty?
Yes, you're taking a very kind heart.
Very kind of you. Thank you. But how about my courage? All you need is confidence. There is no living thing on earth that isn't afraid when it faces danger. True courage lies in facing danger when you are afraid. And that kind of courage you have in plenty. But couldn't you give me something that would make me forget I was afraid? Certainly. Here, drink. Well, if it were inside of you, it'd be courage. So I suggest that you drink it as soon as possible. How do you feel? Full of courage.
Now how can I get back to my aunt and uncle?
The road will lead you straight to the south. You can't miss it.
Thank you.
On your bottom, sit down.
Enter the name of our good Queen Glinda. What can I do for you? I wish to be sent back to Kansas. Your slippers will carry you down an instant. They will? Yes. Then I'll have them take me there at once. Very well. When you're ready, all you have to do is click your heels 3 times and say, "There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home."
Okay, did you guys enjoy the show? All right, that's what we wanted to hear. Well, once again, thank you to everyone. And now, you guys can all relax and we'll have refreshments in the back of the auditorium. Please use those good manners I know all of you have. And very much appreciated.